what's up, homies? Welcome back to the vlog. Starting it off a little bit differently. So I ordered a QuadLock weatherproof wireless charger, and I'm going to install this on the S1K. But before Maple Biker is coming to my house, I thought I'd tell you guys what this is, and I'll tell you guys what they provide in here, and then we'll go install it on the bike. So this is a USB waterproof QuadLock case. It started raining like crazy outside, so I had to quickly go outside. But yeah, so I bought this for $110 Canadian. I don't know what that is in American thing, but basically it allows you to charge your iPhone if it has a QuadLock case wirelessly, because the BMW has a USB at the back. So I'll showcase what this is in terms of what they give you. It says it's a fast charging, up to 10 watt, secured, patent dual stage locking mechanism, IP66 certified, water rated, easy installation, and compatible with all QuadLock cases. So it's USB powered, which comes in two sides. So you can either you can get the one that hooks to the battery or the one that hooks to the actual USB, which I need because the USB is what I have on the back of the S1000. So this is what the case looks like here, and then it has a little plastic tab. So they supply you with a wireless charger, just like a manual, warranty card, electrical safety. We have 3 different types of wires. So this is just short wire right here, short USB-C wire. Seems like something I really can't run from back and forth to the bike. They're all USB-C to USB. Then this seems like the wire I'll probably end up running because it's probably the longest. And then this is like a medium sized wire, but it has a plug that's different from the other plug. So it has an L plug while this is a straight plug. That's pretty much the differences in the wires. The actual wireless charger itself, this is how it looks. It plugs in underneath right here, the USB-C section, and then the phone basically clips onto right here. And this is the button to turn it on and off whenever it is on the bike. So they provide 4 or 5 zip ties and one nut that goes in the middle right here in the middle, which I'll show you guys when we install it on the bike, and then the Allen key, the Allen L key that's required to put it on. And mainly it's just rerouting the wire to the side of the bike, which is going to be the hardest thing. And that's what I'm waiting for Maple Biker, because he's done it before. So we'll just, I mean, might as well. I'm not going to try to break something while trying to install this. So I'm waiting for him, and then once he comes, he knows exactly how to route it without test and trial and error type of situation. You know, sometimes you don't even need to open the garage. So he's got the hoodie that we had to give to somebody that day.
Picked it up today.
And this is the charger. As I said, I opened it up. I showed everybody what was in here. But yeah, how'd the hoodie fit you?
It was a bit.
Okay.
Should have changed it to large extra.
I changed it to large, and he kept extra large. So
it's okay.
Hey, it's okay. He's gonna shrink it by putting it in the
dryer.
The dryer.
It will work out.
All right. Let's give this guys. Let's give this a little try, and we'll see how it goes here. All right, guys. So let me see that. What came out of there? This is this fits in the back. It's not a dog brush. It's for my beard.
It's a beard brush.
It's a beard brush. I love this brush. I know that even the boys the other day were laughing, but it's funny because, man, your beard, it gets all screwed up with the helmet, right? So I carry this in the back of the actual the bike.
It's actually a good one for the long beard.
Yeah, long beards too, right? So yeah. C63 I put inside because it was like raining and I got it washed. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be driving the car a little bit less until the downpipes are done, which again soon. I just have to get it done, which is the main thing. But anyways, back to this topic. So yeah, so So I had the beard brush fits in here. Perfectly calculated. So this is the USB in there, and then I can leave the ownership and stuff in there anyways, right? Yeah, that's fine.
So we have to just remove the seat.
Cool. Perfect. So he's doing the removal of the seat.
Wrong bit.
By the way, go Leafs go. The game's just started, but I thought we'd finish this first. Look how nice and tidy BMW makes their wiring, eh?
Yeah.
I love stock wiring, the way it comes. It's great. Alright, so let's see what Mr. Maple Biker here does. The magic that he pulls off.
You just have to shove it in.
He says you have to shove it in. I think he's talking about the wire.
Wires, yes.
Okay, that's good. That's
Obviously,
good.
what do you thought?
I have no idea. It's a friendly channel, so he's just putting the wire through. Got you. So it comes out this way, comes underneath the frame. So you don't even need to use the zip ties that they give?
Nope.
Okay, so it's pretty good then. Awesome. So now he's run it through that fender.
Let's open this one.
Yeah. We gotta loosen that fender.
Not the fender.
Just loosen it a little bit. Oh, then loosen the nut. Okay. Make sure you don't lose this nut. Okay. We lost one already.
I have extra.
Yeah, I know because I had to borrow it off of you. All right, we'll be right back once we loosen all this shit. There you go. It's the proper tools that make the day better, man. It's not always about the force you put in there. I think this is a bigger nut too, right?
No, see.
Yeah. Oh, it has a washer there. That's why. Got you. All right, so we're gonna remove this. It's a Velcro underneath.
Yeah.
So that's
even
why,
the R1 has the Velcros too.
There you go.
This will leave it this way.
Okay. Perfect. So
You
we're
just
gonna
have
run
to-
the wire through. No need to zip tie or anything, as I said.
No.
Alrighty. Okay, run it through here. Put the clips back. Honestly, I hate dealing with clips, man. Like I don't know what it is. I hate dealing with clips. It's just one of those things where it annoys me because, like, if things don't go right back into the right place, then all of a sudden, like, you know, you got multiple problems, things rattling, and it just creates an issue. So, all right. So you brought the wire this way. Some tools.
It's actually one of the best systems out there.
Yeah. No, well, definitely, it'll come in handy, man, for sure.
It's a bit pricey though, but
Yeah.
it's worth it.
Yeah, $110 though, not bad after the 10% off. So this is now useless, or can I use it for something else?
You can use it on any like something
Other bike, right?
bike where you don't
Okay.
need any charge.
Just put it. I'll put it in the packaging there, and then I'll use it from there. That's fine. I think they give a bigger nut, right?
Yes.
Yeah, makes sense. So the bigger nut goes where? Oh, okay, got you. So you take the top portion off of there, and then
No,
you,
it comes with.
oh, it comes with it. Okay,
Yeah.
got you. So you put that in, and light on top or bottom?
On the top or bottom, it's totally up to you.
Okay,
You won't
okay.
be able to see it.
Okay, because the phone's gonna be there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. You have to take that off?
You have to adjust it little off because the wire, USB-C wire,
Okay, okay.
it needs to clear this.
Got you. And how much slack do you really leave in the USB wire?
A little bit.
Okay. Oh, I guess you have to adjust this to keep it straight, you're saying,
Yes.
right? Got you, got you. Okay, that makes sense. QuadLock is good, man. I've heard some people have lost some of the stems, but I think it's probably from like not installing it properly, right?
Yeah, you have to like tight it. Like on my bike, on my S1K, this was getting loose again and again.
Okay.
So I have to like a bit over tight it, and it was fine.
Makes sense. There we go. Okay, perfect.
Now you have a wireless charging.
Yeah. We'll test it out before we go put the screws back in, I guess.
Now you cannot have an excuse that your phone died and you can't pick up.
No, that's okay. I actually need the charger, man, because so basically to put the phone on here is like that, right? Okay, gotcha. Okay, that's the slack that's needed, right?
We're gonna just tie it up.
Zip tie?
No, the same. We have this one tie here, rubber tie.
Oh, okay.
It's a rubber zip tie.
Oh, it's a rubber zip tie, already on stock.
Yes.
Got you. That's awesome. And that's usually for what, the line?
Yeah, they're just holding it together.
Amazing, man. Look at that. There you go. Perfect. Good to go. And the wire is in. Perfect. And so now just tuck that in properly. Boom, boom. All right, screws in. And boys, we got ourselves a wireless charger. We'll test it out, see how it is, see how it works, but wasn't too difficult. But I really needed this because my phone would die and like it would be just annoying. So we're just gonna do the reverse, put all the screws back in, and I'll show you guys how it works with the phone. All right, so everything's buttoned up, wires here, ran it across here, ran it through here, used the OEM BMW strap, that like the zip tie rubber strap, left enough slack in here, and now let's test it out. So basically put the phone on there. There we go. It's okay, it needs to be broken in a bit. There we go. Turn it on. Oh, we have to turn it on from the bottom, right?
No.
Okay. Oh, perfect.
No, you got a charger.
There you go. Look at that, guys. The Irony 69. Perfect. Amazing. And how well does it really charge? Like it charges pretty fast or keeps it good? Like
yeah, you can like charge it like normal.
Normal. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Not too fast, not too slow.
Perfect. Okay. All right, guys. Anyways, I know it's just a small video I'm making, but I wanted to show you guys installing the wireless charger. It's very important. I'll keep this wire. I'll keep it for inside the car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Anyways, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment, and hope you guys enjoyed the video of the QuadLock wireless charger install. And now I'm gonna go put my comb back in here in peace. So, look at that.
This is important.
Very important. There you go. All right. And how do you take this thing off again? So you press and then
press it on the side.
Okay.
No, down. Like you hold this and you push it down.
Oh, okay. So. Oh, you okay?
Yeah, it's slippery.
Yeah, it's because of the thing. Yo, how come the light's still on though?
It will go away.
It's blue.
It will go away.
It'll go away?
Yeah.
Automatically. Okay. And then also, if I want to turn this off, the button's at the top, right? So I can turn it off. Okay.
On the front, on the bottom.
Got you. Okay,
the
perfect.
Right underneath the...
Sweet.
The light.
Done. Amazing. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Just a small video I wanted to showcase. Everything's good. Bike's good. And now we got the charger installed. Peace.